Sometimes it's the simplest things that make owning a Lincoln a pleasure. Intelligent access with push-button start can be used on the front doors or on some models, all 4 doors. In fact, with your key fob in your possession, such as in your pocket or purse, you can unlock the doors, start the ignition, and lock all of your doors. To unlock your doors, touch the unlock sensor on the back side of the door handle for about a half second. Be sure not to touch the lock sensor on the front simultaneously, as it requires a brief delay to verify your unique key fob. Then pull and you're in. To lock your doors, simply press the sensor on the door handle for about a half second. It'll have ridges, like this. Be sure not to touch the unlock sensor on the back of the handle. When you hear them click, you'll know they're locked. You can also immediately pull on it to confirm locking, or you can press the lock button on the inside door panel before closing the door and it will automatically lock. You can also open your trunk or liftgate without using the key by pressing the button switch located to the right of the rear brake light, or in the liftgate handle. Starting your vehicle is simple too. Once inside, just press and hold the brake pedal while you push the engine start-stop button. To turn it off, be sure the vehicle is in park and push the start-stop button again. If the battery in your remote dies or the signal is interrupted, you can still get into your vehicle and start it using the removable key inside the fob to unlock the driver's door. Just press the button on the front of the key fob and slide the key out. Now, depending on which model you have, you can either insert it into the exposed key cylinder and turn to unlock, or you may need to insert the key into the slot on the fender badge between the front fender and driver door to unlock your door, or pull the door handle out. When you do, you'll notice the key cylinder is located at the end of the handle, here. Just insert the key and turn to unlock. Once you're in, there's either a pocket in the center console or a slot in the cup holder that's made just for the key fob. It will allow you to start your car. Place the key fob in the slot with the buttons facing up and the unlock button toward the front of the vehicle. Keep in mind, because the key is programmed to your car, if you lose it, you'll need to contact your dealer for a replacement. One more thing. To help prevent locking the key fob inside of your vehicle, depending on how the vehicle is set up, if left inside, you may hear a horn chirp indicating the fob has been left in the vehicle and the doors will not lock. We hope we've answered your questions. For more information, please visit owner.lincoln.com.